Henry Resources is a Texas-based company managing a diverse portfolio across dozens of legal entities, including oil and gas assets and processes. The business had reached an inflection point. After a period of significant change, a leaner team was responsible for managing the same substantial value, but the system supporting them had not kept pace. Their financial and operational data lived across 3 disconnected platforms, plus a web of spreadsheets. With 30 to 40 entities and separate charts of accounts, even routine consolidation required significant manual effort. Visibility was limited, reporting was difficult, and the team was spending too much time assembling data instead of using it.
We had our org chart. There were probably somewhere between 30 to 40 entities, so a big spider web of entities, and they were all kept under different software. We had Wolfpack, QuickBooks, and also Excalibur.
After evaluating the market, Henry selected NetSuite. The platform was intuitive for their users, backed by a trusted name, built to scale, and forward-looking when it came to AI and automation.
One of the big reasons is Oracle's reputation. They're big enough to scale with us, and the user friendliness. As we did the demos, everybody felt it was intuitive.
But Henry's business also carried oil and gas complexity that a standard ERP implementation could not address on its own. They needed NetSuite, but they also needed oil and gas functionality, and they needed a partner who understood how to translate those requirements into the system.
NetSuite owned up to the fact that they didn't have the expertise in oil and gas, so they referred Rand Group to us.
Rand Group implemented NetSuite as Henry's financial backbone, then went further by translating Henry's oil and gas processes into NetSuite. We implemented our custom joint interest billing solution built inside of NetSuite to automate the import of high-volume JIB and revenue files, including thousands of lines that were previously handled manually. We also supported revenue check imports and developed a custom lease operating statement to give Henry the granular, well-level visibility their industry demands.
One of the most important pieces is the oil and gas module, and that's something Rand Group helped us add.
For Henry, the result was not just a cleaner system, it changed how the team works. 3 systems and countless spreadsheets became one platform. 30 to 40 charts of accounts became one. A monthly consolidation process that once took nearly a full week is now automated, giving the team more time to analyze the numbers and use the data to inform decisions. The team also has stronger visibility into transactions and supporting documentation. Errors that used to surface months later can now be caught immediately, and the accounting team has more breathing room to focus on higher value work.
One of our team members said, "I feel like I have some breathing room now, where in the past she felt like she was always just trying to stay above water."
Henry did not just get an ERP system. They gained a NetSuite foundation built around the way their business actually operates, including the oil and gas processes that make their requirements unique.
I think Rand Group was a big part of how far we've come so far. There was a lot of heavy work, and we've been lucky that we could cross paths. I appreciate everything you guys have done for us.
For oil and gas companies evaluating NetSuite, this is where Rand Group makes the difference. We bring the ERP expertise, the industry knowledge, and the custom NetSuite functionality needed to turn a complex implementation into a scalable business platform.